Hey, welcome back to Bear Squid. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a graphics display calculator to graph functions. In particular, we're going to be using the ti-nspire CX. Coming up. So let me quickly show you then how to use the graphing function on the ti-nspire CX. What we're going to do is we're going to go down to the graph. Okay, so we can actually move this cursor and go down to this graph. And what we need to do is we need to put the function in here. So we had previously, in our last video, we had 5x, so 5, and we can just put x from here. So 5x minus 2, that's the first function, and I can just press enter. That's going to draw the function for me. And then what I can do, if I press tab, that allows me to enter a new function now. Tab's not working for some reason, you've gone to another section or a menu. I'll show you how to do it. You just go to press menu, and you go into graph, entry, edit, and then function. So you can bring in a new function, and that will end up putting the cursor here anyway. So the next function that we're going to do is x plus 1. Okay, we're going to press enter again. So now I have two functions, and what I want to find out is the intersection between these two. So I'm going to press menu. I'm going to go down to analyze graph, which is option 6, and then I'm going to go across and find the intersection. So press enter there. And now it tells me to find the lower bound and the upper bound. So what I need to do is I need to give it one click and then drag across using this D-pad, and then click it again, and then it identifies in that lower bound to upper bound where that intersection is. So my intersection now, you can see it's 0.75, 1.75. And if you follow the working out on the screen, you will see that that works. So I know that, then x is equal to 0.75 and y is equal to 1.75. All I need to do is I need to substitute these values into equation 1 and equation 2 to just see if they work, okay? So what I do have is y is equal to 1.75 equal to 5 times 0.75 minus 2. So 1.75 is equal to 5 times 0.75, which is actually 3.75. And we're going to minus 2 from that. So 1.75 is equal to 1.75. So that is perfectly correct. See if you can do part B yourself. And what I'll do is I'll jump onto the calculator and I'll do it very quickly, and you can speed through it and see if you've got the same solutions. So the calculator gives me x as 1.4 and y is equal to negative 1.8. I can check those into the two functions by substituting them. So when y is minus 1.8 equals to 3 times 1.4 minus 6. So minus 1.8 is equal to 3 times 1.4, which is 4.2 minus 6. That gives me minus 1.8 is equal to minus 1.8. As always, thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, then drop me a like, and make sure you check out the other video where I'm going to show you how to use the same thing using the TI-84 Plus.